like your smile.
He's trying to make me smile, y'all.
What's up, y'all? Y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail today what we're doing. We're doing a seafood mukbang Q&A.
Okay, y'all. So the first question is, how did y'all meet?
How did we meet? We met at school. When I met her, when I met her, she had a boyfriend at the time. When I was seeing her.
Wait, you didn't meet me because I didn't know you.
Well, technically then, when I met her, it was after her relationship. I had seen her. And I don't know, it's like she just caught my eye or something. And I just like wanted her to be my girlfriend. So I was telling everybody that she was my girlfriend. She didn't even know me. Well, she knew me, but she didn't know me like that. And I was just telling people that she was my girlfriend because I didn't want nobody else to try to talk to her. And I texted her on Instagram and everything, and she never texted me back. I had to tell her friend to tell her to text me.
Old friend.
Well, your old friend.
Let me spice it up though, y'all. So let me spice it up because he being dry. Okay, so this is how we met. So I had a boyfriend at the time, but I was like, I don't know, like I was getting out of a relationship. And at that point, I really wasn't even looking for like another relationship. But all of a sudden, like everybody, like this. It was this boy going around saying that, it was Jalen. He was going around saying like that I was his girlfriend and stuff. And people would come up and ask me, did we date or whatever? Like, was we dating? And I would just be so confused. I'd be like, what are y'all talking about? Like, I don't even know who this boy is. He lying. He had a big crush on me, but I didn't even know he existed, y'all. Like, I didn't even know who Jalen was. Okay, fast forward. The girl who was my friend at the time, he used to always like, blow her up and be like, tell such and such me to text him back because I never would. He would flood my DMs and I would like never text him back. Like,
that's crazy, y'all. Couldn't even get a text back.
Yeah, like he would flood my DMs and I would never text him back. He flooded it for about like a good
2 weeks.
Yeah, I was just about to say a good 2 weeks. And then after that, I just got tired of it. Like, I wasn't pressured, but like I just got tired of it, and I could see how much he liked me. So I was like, let me go ahead and just text him. Like, just text him. So I ended up texting him, and we ended up like bobbing. And so after a few weeks of like bobbing or whatever, he was like, he didn't even ask me out for real. He was like, what would you do if I asked you to be my girlfriend? I was just like, I would say yeah. I mean, we were still young, but like he liked me and I got to know him, and it started making me like him back because I didn't even like him at first. I like him. So he asked me that. Oh, dang. He asked me that, and I was like, yeah. And then the rest, y'all, is really just history.
Yeah, really.
Okay, what's the next question?
Somebody asked how life been after high school for us. I wouldn't say that life has been hard, but it's not easy either.
Yo,
I mean, it's okay. I work a lot. That's pretty much it. I work a lot. been for you?
Life been good. I mean, of course it could be like better sometimes, but I'm still young and we learning like the new wave of adulthood and still got a lot of learning to do. I'm happy with where I'm at right now though. This new journey for us and me being in beauty school and stuff, I think it's a good start with him being in barber school too. So like, I feel like that's good for us, but things definitely gonna get better, but life good.
Ain't too you always have to start somewhere.
Ain't too much to complain about. Let's see.
Somebody asked me, is Lyris a crybaby? Wow. Yes, she is. A big crybaby. The biggest crybaby of them all.
I don't think so.
If something don't go her way, you gonna hear that. And not just for an hour or minutes, for days. Yes, for days.
I wouldn't say I'm no crybaby. Just, I don't know. I mean, like everybody else do. I just want stuff to go my way. And my way only. So.
Yeah, you a crybaby.
That's my take on that.
She's 100% absolute a crybaby.
Okay. What's y'all favorite color?
That's easy. My favorite color is black. It's been black my whole life. I just feel like the color black.
He a goth.
I'm not.
Yes, he is.
I just feel like the color black go with everything and anything. You can't go wrong with the color black. It goes with everything.
Roll this up for me, please.
I can't name one thing that the color black doesn't go with.
Okay, well, for me, my favorite color, well, it used to be blue, and it still is, but like, the one I'm really into right now is like brown and neutral colors. Like, I like nudes, anything nude. I just love neutral colors.
Okay, now, somebody asked me when we gonna have kids. The exact question was, when are y'all gonna have kids?
Okay, I'll start first. Not soon. Not soon. Not at all. We ain't even where we want to be yet. Exactly. In life, so why would we have kids? But when do we want to have kids? I always knew I don't want them young. Like, I don't want them young. But shout out to everybody who is out there having kids young, but not me.
Oh my God. Shout out to the young adults who having kids.
No, but for real though, because I know it's hard. But yeah, I don't want kids too young, and I don't want them too late either, because I don't want to be a grandma like to my kid. Like, why am I having a kid at 40? But I always said I wanted kids at like 25. It's not too young, but it's not too old. It's right in the middle. It's right in the middle. So I want kids at 25. And if I don't have them at 25, then I really don't want none at all. I don't want to have a child at 30.
I mean, me really, I just feel like the kid gonna pop up when the time comes. Whenever the time is right, I feel like God's gonna bless us with a child. Whenever the time is right. But I hope it ain't no time soon.
Right.
A kid right now is not in the plan.
That's too much, Charlotte. I feel like my life would fall apart if I had a kid right now. Like, yeah. I'm trying to work on myself. I don't know what I would do with a kid, honestly. But I do love kids, though. That's the crazy thing. And when I do have kids, I always said I wanted one kid. Like, I want one kid. I want one kid and a dog. And then, like, our family can just...
She lying. And no, hey,
let me finish.
Just having one kid ain't gonna work. They gonna be lonely. No kid wants to sit and play with.
You didn't let me finish. You didn't let me finish though.
2 is the max and minimum for me.
So what I was saying was, and if I don't have, one kid at the most, I mean, at the least, at the most, I want 3 kids, and that's really it. Cause that's probably gonna be about all I can tolerate. Cause I can't have a loud house. But yeah, next question, cause I feel like we stayed on this topic too long. Look, y'all, that's some good. I got a good piece. Hold on, my hand's dirty. We probably should have wrote these questions down to prevent from having to go back and forth. What's y'all favorite thing about each other?
I'll go first.
Okay.
My favorite thing about you is that you showed that you care a lot. You know how most people nonchalant and act like they don't care about things. You never act like you don't care. No matter what it is, you gonna let me know what it is and that you care. And another thing is your attitude at times. I mean, I wouldn't say you got a bad attitude, but like, I like your attitude. Like, you always try to see the positive things in bad times. It's a lot I like about you. I like your personality. I like your smile.
He's trying to make me smile, y'all.
I do like your smile though. Most people don't have good teeth and a good smile. You got it on your clothes?
Yes, y'all. I just got this on my pants, y'all. Wow.
She really stand up in the seat to show y'all. That's crazy. Another thing I like about you is that you don't take no nobody. Like nobody. I love that about you. Cause most people let people run over them, and you don't tolerate nothing at all.
Okay, it's my turn. Like he said, there's a lot of stuff I like about him. But let me start with one thing, like the way he deal with me. You know, some boys, they fold after a while. After girls having attitudes and they little meltdowns they be having. You know how females are. They just be having their days. And my days, they like, sometimes they get really bad. And he deal with them like so good. He don't go ghost on me. Like, he don't argue back with me. If anything, he won't argue at all. Like, he just try to, keep the situation down, make sure like I'm good so it don't escalate. In the way that like he treat me. Most boys, like, they got a hard time of showing affection and stuff because like how they got done in the past or whatever. He don't. He like physical touch. He'll remind me like how much he loved me like almost every day. How much he missed me.
Boy, it be hard, boy.
He just a sweetheart. He not no one of them. Y'all know, like one of them boys. They don't care about nothing. They just, he just there. Like when I need him to be, he just there.
This kind of touch on the other thing, but like
cause I feel like I'm missing something too. Cause it is like a lot of stuff, but I ain't trying to write y'all no book.
Right.
It's just like the way he is as a person, like he never let nobody rub off on him, peer pressure him into doing something bad to me. Look, y'all, my sister in the back asking for some crab that I don't want so she can have them because they like, I don't know. But y'all, he don't let nobody peer pressure him. Like, he love his girl the way he love his girl and he don't care what nobody got to say. And that's how it should be. And if your man not like that, get a new one. For real. Some of the stuff he deal with, I would not be able to deal with. Like, I know it's kind of hypocrite of me because I was like, some boys, after one little meltdown with a female or something, they're done. They don't know what to do. But him, he try till he can't no more. And some days I just be like, y'all, F this. Like, I can't do it. I can't do that. And he like, we gonna do this. We got this. Like, and this is what we gonna do. And then even after that, I still don't be trying to hear it. He don't get frustrated with me or nothing. He just keep going.
Okay, the next question was, what was our first impression of each other?
Like I told y'all, with the how we met, like whole situation, I didn't even know him to have a first impression on him. I never seen him a day in my life, didn't know his name, but I knew of him that day when I found out who was going around telling folks. So I guess that was my first impression. And then when I did meet him, I was like, no, I don't like him. I don't know this boy. I don't. And I know that's kind of like harsh because like look where we at now. But like truth be told, that was my first impression of him.
Wow.
I know he probably like, dang, that's how you feel.
But my first impression of her, man, I just knew she had to be my girlfriend. One way or another, she was gonna be my girlfriend.
But like how?
I just knew. If she wants some, you gotta go and get it. And guess what I did? When I got it.
That's how you felt.
Yeah. When I seen you, I was just like, she look good. I like her. I want her to be my girlfriend. Come on, baby.
Y'all, so we got my little brother right here because he just, I don't know, he cranky right now. And he need a bottle. Video coming with him and my little sister soon, but we still gonna ask these questions though. But he's sitting right over here with Jalen.
I don't look like that man though.
You think?
You look like her.
No. Y'all, I'm so tired.
Somebody asked, what do we be doing all the time?
Y'all, look. We be in school.
Yeah, work and school.
Yes, it's tiring. And then now we just included like this into our...
It's part of it. We either working at school or with each other.
Yeah, with each other, trying to plan for y'all, or like just planning for the future, just on some bigger and better stuff. Like we be planning. If we not at work or school, we planning or like trying to see what's our next move or what's the next step. Like after that, if we not at work or school, 9 times out of 10 we with each other. If you see me, you see him, and if you see him, you see me. So that's how I be. Well, it was something else. I think I remember without going to my phone. I don't.
Good, baby. You good, baby? Dada, you good, Dada?
I'm on TikTok because I had posted on TikTok too on our page. Yeah, if y'all don't follow our TikTok page, go follow that too because we gonna be getting active everywhere. Active on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. So yeah. Next question is a favorite thing y'all done together.
Favorite thing we done together. That's a lot.
Y'all, I'm so.
I'd probably say that my favorite thing was it either gotta be last Christmas or last Halloween.
Yeah, when we went in that haunted house, y'all, Jalen we got chased by a chainsaw. It was me, my friends, and Jalen.
We got chased by a person with a chainsaw.
Yeah, we got chased by a person with a chainsaw. We fell in the haunted house. He left us. Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found.
I got down.
We got left. Yeah, but it's been y'all, like, we do a lot of fun stuff together because we with each other, like, all the time. But...
Or I say probably, like, that day we had spent together. When we went and got ice cream. We was downtown. We did all that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
It was just like a little mini date. Another thing is when I did that little thing with you for dance.
What? Oh, yes, y'all. So if y'all don't know, I used to dance and we had this big recital coming up in April. It was a long freaking day. But I'm not gonna get into detail about that. I'm not gonna make it a long story. But we had so much freaking fun, y'all. It was so nice, like so nice. That was fun. Now, my favorite thing, y'all, like I said, we be doing like a lot of stuff together, so it's hard to just pinpoint or like say what's my favorite thing. But I think the things that I enjoyed the most with Jalen is like really like the small stuff. It's not even the big stuff. The stuff that I like is like when we watching movies together, like sending each other like positive messages throughout the day, quotes, prayers. It could be like even us like playing tic-tac-toe together or cards. Like I like the small stuff. I will take that over like the big stuff. It's just, I don't know, it's just the quality time. Them probably like my favorite things to do with him.
Why he at? Who do Jalen hang out with the most? You. Yeah, you or Trey. Yeah. You or Trey. My brother, man. It's my brother.
Y'all, I'm so tired. Okay. Next question, y'all. Next question. Before like I get sleepy and this video is like done with. Next question is I guess this is for me, but we gonna make it for him too, so I'm gonna answer it first and then he gonna answer. How did you know he was the one?
What's up, baby boy?
Back to what I was saying. How did you know he was the one? To be honest, I didn't. I didn't know him to know he was the one. I just gave him a chance and this where we are.
How did I know, man? For me, it was just like the way she acted, the way she carried herself. She wasn't in a lot of mess. She stayed to herself. She was never one of those ratchet ones, one of those acting ones. Yeah.
I feel like I done did more talking than eating, if anything. But my napkin over here say otherwise.
You want some smoke?
Okay, I'm finna put some sauce on this. I'm finna have you taste it, okay?
Is this shell on it?
Yes, I'm telling you, get this. Jalen, why are you doing that?
Why so much on there?
Why are you doing that? That's not hot. Here.
Yours hotter than mine?
I got hot.
I don't even want it no more. It's hot. It's too hot.
Here.
It's too hot. You eat it. It's too hot. Oh, why is it so hot? Boom. Oh, so spicy.
Oh my God. It itch.
What's up, bro? He look like you. He do. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so that's the end of this video. If you liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Also, turn on them post notifications so you don't miss a video.
Turn it on.
Okay, y'all, and we out.